9 reasons to drink watermelon juice for its deep cleansing, alkalizing and mineralizing properties. Watermelon is a cleansing, alkalizing and mineralizing fruit that improves health in numerous ways. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, along with cantaloupe, pumpkin and similar plants that grow on vines on the ground. Watermelons are round, oblong or spherical in shape, light to dark green in color, with lighter mottling stripes, and usually their flesh is brightly red. They are full of water, 92% to be more precise, as well as beta-carotene, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B5, and smaller amounts of B1, B2, B3, and B6. Watermelons are also high in essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and smaller amounts of copper, iron, and zinc. Watermelons contain the red carotenoids pigment, lycopene, which is a potent antioxidant, as well as citrulline, another important and beneficial compound. Watermelon juice is incredibly healthy, and here are some of its health benefits. 1. It is alkalizing, meaning that it neutralizes acidity in the system and prevents chronic diseases like cancer and protects against parasites, harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi and yeasts. 2. Watermelon can lower C-reactive protein, CRP, a measure of body-wide inflammation linked to arthritis, flares and heart disease, and it is also abundant in the carotenoid beta-cryptocanthin, which alleviates the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and treats painful inflammatory joint conditions. 3. This juice has laxative effects that improve regularity, calms the gastrointestinal tract, regulates pH levels, treats acid reflux and fights inflammation and acidity. It is also excellent in the treatment of constipation. 4. Being rich in antioxidants, lycopene, and other essential vitamins and minerals, watermelon juice lowers the risk of stroke and heart disease. Lycopene reduces the thickness of the internal layer of blood vessels, lowering the risk of myocardial infarction, while the prevention of LDL oxidation protects against heart attacks, ischemic strokes, and atherosclerosis. 5. Being abundant in various minerals, watermelon juice replenishes electrolytes lost after a good workout and treats symptoms like muscle aches, spasms, twitches and weaknesses, restlessness, frequent headaches, insomnia, heart palpitations, fatigue, numbness, and pain in joints and dizziness. 6. Watermelons are low in calories but rich in water and fiber, so their consumption creates a feeling of satiety, cleanses the body of toxins and helps weight loss. 7. It is an effective detox drink that accelerates metabolism and eliminates all kinds of toxins from the body. 8. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the case of allergies and asthma, and the consumption of watermelon juice raises the immune responses in preventing attacks. 9. Drinking watermelon juice relaxes and dilates the blood vessels and boosts energy levels and stamina, so it can act as a natural Viagra and treats mild erectile dysfunction. Additionally, watermelon seeds are also rich in nutrients, healthy fats and minerals like magnesium, iron and zinc. Therefore, they suppress appetite, energize the body, strengthen the hair, skin and nails, accelerate metabolism and prevent anemia, fatigue, depression. Yet, despite the countless benefits of this fruit, its excessive consumption can have adverse effects. So make sure you follow these consumption tips. To avoid sleep disturbances during the night, make sure you eat these fruits or drink watermelon juice in the morning on an empty stomach or earlier in the day. Watermelon rind contains 95% of the nutritional benefits, so you can juice it along the flesh and seeds. Wash the watermelon well before consumption. To preserve the freshness of the remaining watermelon, wrap it up with a cling wrap and keep refrigerated. You can consume watermelons on their own, juices, or in fruit salads. We suggest you try the following delicious watermelon recipes as well. 3. Melon smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cups seedless watermelon cubed, 1 cup cantaloupe melon cubed, half cup lemon, lime, soda, pop, 1 cup honeydew melon cubed, half cup ice cubes. Instructions: in the blender, mix the watermelon, honeydew, cantaloupe and ice. Then add the lemon, lime, soda and puree until smooth. Spicy watermelon tomato salad. Ingredients: 2 cups cubed seeded watermelon, 1 large red tomato cut into cubes, 1 large yellow tomato cut into cubes, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons chile garlic sauce, 1/4 cup rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh lemon basil, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Instructions: to drain some of the moisture, spread watermelon, yellow tomato and red tomato onto paper towels, then transfer them to a large bowl. In a small bowl, whisk vinegar, olive oil, chile garlic sauce and honey together, and then pour the mixture over the first one. Season with lemon, basil, salt and black pepper. Watermelon sherbet. Ingredients: 4 cups diced seedless watermelon, 1 cup white sugar, 3 tablespoons lime juice, 1.25 ounce envelope unflavored gelatin, 1 cup chilled heavy cream, 1 dash salt, 1/4 cup cold water. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix the watermelon, sugar, lemon juice and salt and stir well. Cover with plastic wrap and store it in the refrigerator for half an hour. Then blend it in the blender until smooth and return it to the bowl. In a saucepan, pour the cold water, sprinkle the gelatin and let it stand for a minute. Then cook over low heat for 2 minutes. Add the gelatin mixture to the blended watermelon mixture and the heavy cream and beat with an electric hand mixer at medium speed until you get a fluffy mixture. Next, transfer it into an ice cream maker and freeze it until it reaches soft serve consistency. Transfer the ice cream to a suitable plastic container, cover with plastic wrap and seal. Leave it in the freezer for at least 2 hours or overnight.